Outstanding design defines the 2017 Chevrolet Malibu. This four-door, five-passenger sedan offers the features and options for which you've been searching. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower, favoring both performance and efficiency. Both high fuel economy and flexible performance are assured by the six-speed automatic transmission. Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, a trip computer, heated door mirrors, and one-touch window functionality. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.